Hey students, after experimenting with 3-digit numbers so and so, you are finally going to experiment with 4-digit number. Here you will do everything with the 4-digit numbers. In 4-digit numbers, it is included with 4 places. From starting right to left, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So in 3-digit number, you have practiced only up to 100 place, but here another new place is included, that is 1000 place. 10 numbers of 100 makes a 1000. So without delaying, let's start your exercises one by one. So here the pictures of place value are given. This is 1000 place, this is 100 place, and there is no tens place, only ones place here in first question. So you will write how many thousands, here 4000s, you will write 4000s. How many hundreds, only 300 plus 300. There is no tens place, means you will write plus 0 or you can ignore it. Then how many ones, count it and write. After writing all the in this expand form, write the number which you get. The rest you can do in your copy obviously. Here you will write in the short form. Then come to the number names. So it's for only practice. You can write, also you can write in your copy. Do not forget to write it in your copy, this one also. The number names you write, exercise 2b. Number names only you will write here. Then the consecutive number you will write, means the numbers after and after, means 1005, then 1006, 1007 and so on. The consecutive number here you will write. Here backward counting will be so helpful. If you know the better backward counting, you can write it. Then continue the part 10. I have already told you in the last video how to know the continue the part 10. You go and watch that video, you will get some idea to fill in this. Counting forward. To know counting forward means the after number you will write continuously till this box end. Here count backward. You will write the before number of the number given. Before you will complete the fill. Continue the part 10 also. There is a trick I have told you in my next video. To know that trick, you can complete this. Write the predecessor number. Predecessor, you know, I have already told you the number before. The successor means the number after. You can write very clearly. You are all intelligent student. I can know that you can write the number before and after also. The number between also you can write. Here each number's place value you will write, means here given 4. From 1000 place to 1's place you will start. So the first 1000 place number is 4. You will write in the circle, it will be 4000. Then 100 place number is 6. Here in circle you will write 6 and the place value you will write here in the blank. Then in 10's place 8 is there. So in circle you will write 8 and the place value of 8 is 80. So you will write 80 in the blank. Then in 1's place 5 is there. So you will write in circle 5 and the place value of 5 is 5. In 100 place there is 1, means you will write 1 here and in 100 place value is 100. In 1000 place there is 5. So you will write 5 in the circle and the place value of 5 is 5000. Like this you can complete the rest of the question. In the fill in blank. In 2458, 5 is in which place? 5 is in tens place. So you will write here tens. And 2 is in the dash place. 2 is in the thousand place. In 7683, the digit in the thousand place is Which digit is in the thousand place? 7. Yes, 7. And the place value of 8 is? The place value of 8 is 80. In 5714, the digit in the thousand place is 5. And its place value is 5000. In 4923, the place value of 9 is 900. And that of 4 is 4000. And that of 2 is 20. In 6039, the place value of 0 is 0. And that of 9 is 9. And that of 6 is 6000. Exercise 2D, you will put the greater than, smaller than and equal to symbol. And here you will find the smallest number and write down. So many numbers are given in each line and find out the smallest one and write. Here so many numbers are given and find out the greatest one and write here. All you will do in your copy. So ring the smallest and tick the largest. I think you can do, because in the first lesson like this fully equal questions are given, but there was only 3 digit number and here 4 digit number, but the number pattern of the questions are almost equal. Write in descending order. So from greatest to smallest you will arrange the number in descending order, and write in ascending order from the smallest to greatest you will write. Then exercise 2E. One video I sent in YouTube that how to know the greatest and smallest number out of the digits. I have told you the tricks. Go and do watch that video. It will be very much helpful to you know the greatest and smallest number directly without delaying any time. But still I am telling, for greatest number arrange all the digits in descending order, and for smallest number arrange all the digits in ascending order. But if equal number you are finding, then keep the equal number in the same place or following place. Means 4 4 or 3 3, you will keep it in following places. If 0 you are finding, then in descending number you will put the 0 at the last, but in ascending number a number greater than 0 you will put first, then 0, then the rest of the number in ascending order. Here the number name you will write it for the place value of 10,000, means 5 digit number it is. You will write the number names properly. So dear students, please do not be neglected at your home. Complete sincerely all the question answer of lesson 2.